Okay, take 3. All right, so decent reel, aluminum spool, no flex. It's a good reel. However, it has plastic bushings instead of bearings here. There is a bearing up in the spool, so I do not have to upgrade the bearing here. I'll show you that in a second. So I have replacement bearings for the bushings. They're 8 by 14 by 4. I stole them out of some other reels where I'm upgrading those bearings to be sealed bearings because they're true, they're ocean saltwater reel. The 12 millimeter nut. You can see right there, that is a ball bearing already there. However, these are not. So unscrew this, the handle. Handle off. The bearing's held in by this screw here, these two to hold it in. I don't need to remove the anti-reverse because it's set on one side. But I'll loosen this up so I can pull the shield off. And since this is the second or third time I've attempted this, because I kept getting the wrong bearings, I've already removed this screw here. And pull the shield off. Oop, I forgot to take the butt off. Screwdriver. There it is. All right. And I just realized that I have a spacer, which may be involved here. There we go. So I will be replacing this bushing with this bearing. Let's see how close they are. Where is my thickness is 397. Thickness is 393. That's pretty close. All right, that'll go there. But first, can I pull this out without removing it? No. All right. So pull the shaft. This out of here. Where's that one going to come up from? Sometimes these pop out easy. There we go. There. Pull that out. Bearing in. Finagle this back in. All right, that's back in. Bearing on. Shaft back in. Nice little screw in there. All right. Case back on. Screw these in. So this was a mediocre reel with plastic bushings instead of bearings, and for a cost of maybe $2, you could buy them in bulk for each bushing. We've upgraded it significantly. All right, let's just throw this in here. Okay. Spins. Let's get this put back together. To tighten this up. This back on. So I need to put a screw in here to lock down that nut. I'll do that later when I need to find a right size screw head and diameter. All right, let's see if this works. So I like this reel, but I don't want to sell it with crappy bushings instead of bearings. Tighten that up. Perfect. All right, that now is a reel that's going to hold up instead of wearing down these plastic crappy bushings. Last piece. Here we go.